Hello, in this video we'll see Gunitakshara and Samyuktakshara in Kannada grammar. So this comes after Varnamala. Let's see what is Gunitakshara. Gunitakshara will be formed when a Vyanjana and Swara are mixed. So you need to see the previous video to understand what is Vyanjana and Swara. So Vyanjana plus Swara equal to Gunitakshara. Example, say for ka, how it happens. Half ka plus a. A is Swara and k is Vyanjana. So it forms ka. Similarly, k plus a, ka. So it goes on. K plus e, ki. K plus e, ki. K plus ru, kru. K plus wo, ko. So as we go on, it will give rise to what we call as Kagunita, or we also call it as Bara Akdi in Hindi. So it's there for all the Vyanjanas. With all the Vyanjanas, the Kagunita is there, and it's very important in forming the sentences or the words and all. So you need to know all this very clearly so that you will not make mistake when writing. So in a word, say we'll consider a word Chetana. How it is formed here in this, the Gunitaksharas. First we'll take Che. Ch plus A, Che. Ta plus A, Ta. Na plus A, Na. So it becomes Chetana. Okay, here it's very important which swara are we using for that particular Vyanjana. And it's a very easy concept. Okay, let's see now Samyuktakshara. Samyukta means complex. So when we compare to Gunitakshara, this is little complex. When a Vyanjana and Vyanjana combines with the help of swaras, we get Samyuktakshara. We also call it as Vattakshara because two Vyanjanas are there. So Vattu, stress. Okay. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಅಥವಾ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ವ್ಯಂಜನಗಳು ಸ್ವರಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿ ಆಗುವ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಸಂಯುಕ್ತಾಕ್ಷರ. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೂ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್, ಸಜಾತೀಯ ಸಂಯುಕ್ತಾಕ್ಷರ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಜಾತೀಯ ಸಂಯುಕ್ತಾಕ್ಷರ. ಸಜಾತೀಯ ಸಂಯುಕ್ತಾಕ್ಷರ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಒಂದೇ ಜಾತಿಯ ವ್ಯಂಜನ ಸೇರಿ ಸಜಾತೀಯ ಸಂಯುಕ್ತಾಕ್ಷರ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯಂಜನ, ಸೇಮ್ ವ್ಯಂಜನ. Say for example, Avva. Here you see Va is a Vattakshara or Samyuktakshara. So down one more Va is there. When we split this, it will become A plus Vo plus Vo. Two Vas. Okay. And then A. It will become Avva. Similarly, Appa, Anna, Atte. Okay. So in Ate, A will be the swara. The other one is Vijatiya Samyuktakshara. Vijatiya Samyuktakshara means ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಜಾತಿಯ ವ್ಯಂಜನ ಸೇರಿ ವಿಜಾತೀಯ ಸಂಯುಕ್ತಾಕ್ಷರ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. Means different vyanjanas will be combined in Vijatiya Samyuktakshara. For example, Kalki. So for ka, it is ka plus a. So lki. So we can't pronounce it independently. I have to combine with ka. Kalki. Ka is done. Now for the next part, l plus k. Okay, k is also upward. Then e. So it becomes kalki. Similarly, asti, bhakti. You can take anything. You just try to split it. Okay, with half of word of Vyanjana, with half of letter of Vyanjanas and which swara is there. It's very easy to understand. So in Samyuktakshara, we have more than one Vyanjana. In Gunitakshara, we have one Vyanjana plus swara. Okay, here in Samyuktakshara, different Vyanjanas will also get combined to form Vijatiya Samyuktakshara. If same Vyanjanas are combined, it forms Sajatiya Samyuktakshara. Okay, this is the definition for Samyuktakshara. So Vatakshara also we call this one in Vatakshara we say like for different Vyanjanas different Vataksharas are there. So we have written here Ava Appa, right? Down we write that symbol. That's the Vatakshara form. So for all different Vyanjanas starting from Ka to La, different Vataksharas are there. You need to write it down and remember that. So Vataksharas are very important in forming words. If you make a mistake when writing sentence in Vataksharas, it gives a different meaning. So it's very important, and they are not very tough. So because different Vyanjanas have different Vatakshara, it will be almost same like Vyanjana only. When the Vataksharas for Vyanjana, we write it as small under the letter, and for some it is different. Say for Ra, and most of them it is almost same. For Ta, so it is different when we compare to the Vyanjana Akshara. And you can see whichever is a little different, focus on that more, so you will learn it. The other ones are same almost. So if you just go through 3-4 times, it's very easy to understand. Okay, this is the end of Gunitakshara and Samyuktakshara. Any doubts, please comment below. Thank you.